Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can get your money off hold on eBay. Now if you started selling on eBay recently and you are wondering why eBay is holding your money, then this video is for you. I'm also going to show you guys exactly how you can avoid this in the future and some tips, because I have been doing this eBay dropshipping thing for a long time. So this will help you even if you are not dropshipping. Probably you are selling products that you already have, or you are getting products from a supplier, or you have as a private supplier, whatever. This is going to help you. Okay, so first thing you need to know, guys, is if you just opened your account like a few months ago and your sales history, probably you have sold like 10 items total, you need to sell more. Okay, so in my experience, eBay removed the hold from my store the moment I sold like over $2,000 in sales, in total sales. Then eBay started to release the money within 24 hours. Okay, so I'm going to check here. I'm going to click here on selling. Oh, this is not really my account. This is one of this is my friend's account that I'm managing. It's not my account. So I'm going to check here. Okay, this is my own. Yeah, this one. Like, as you can see, I got a sale just today and the money is going to release tomorrow. Okay, so this is my own store. Tomorrow the money will be released. Okay, as you can see, $26, and the money will be released tomorrow. So it only takes 24 hours. Okay, so what I did here, even my friend, as you can see, his the order, as you can see, is complete. We have made the funds available for payout. So it only takes 24 hours and then you will be able to have your money so that you can use it for shipping or whatever. It's up to you guys. Okay, so my experience, let me here go. Okay, so let me check here. On my experience, you need to sell, like I said, $2,000 of items in total, and then you will be able to get your money immediately. Now what I suggest you to do, guys, is after you ship the product to the customer, make sure you upload the tracking number quickly. Okay, this is really going to help you. So make sure you upload the tracking number very quickly, and then make sure it works. Make sure when you click on the tracking number on eBay, it's updating and you can see where the item is. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so even if you are selling only one item per month, make sure you upload the tracking number and make sure it's valid so that you can get your money after the customer receives the product. But if you sold over $2,000 worth of products, like, you will get your money regardless if the buyer received the item or not. Okay, you will get the money immediately, like I said, within 24 hours. It's called processing time on eBay. Okay, so it's called processing time. That's why it takes 24 hours to get your money. Now if you are a new seller, you need to be patient and you need to ship the product like immediately and upload the tracking number. Okay, after the seller receives the item, then you can get your money, okay, within a few days. Okay, you are not going to get it the same day because they want to make sure that the product, there is nothing wrong with the product. Okay, so if you have, guys, any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Just go to the comments below. I try to reply to everyone. Just comment below and I will reply to you guys. See you guys, please drop a like and see you guys next video.